All right, so problem number 36. It says the quadrilateral FGHJ was dilated with the origin at the center of the dilation to create the new quadrilateral F prime, G prime, H prime, and J prime. And we want to know what rule, okay, so we're talking about, we want to create the rule that no matter what point we're on here, we could pick the next point that it's supposed to be when we dilate it. And when we're talking about dilation, we're talking about scale factor. And when we're talking about scale factor, that means that we're looking at a multiplier. Now, when we're looking at it, I'm not going to write that up. Okay, when we're looking at a multiplier, that means that we're going to take whatever that value of x is and whatever that value of y is, and we're going to multiply it. We're not translating it, so we're not adding or subtracting. Well, that means if we're not adding or subtracting, I can just take g out, because we're adding, we're translating, and I can also take j out, because we're adding or subtracting. So my only possible answers when I'm talking about dilation is F or H. Well, I'm going to pick a point. I'm going to pick G. G is my pre-image, and that point is there, so is right at the 0.5, comma, and then 10. And then G prime, that's my image. So this is my pre-image. And then this is my image. G prime is at, when I look at G prime, that's going to be at 7, comma, 14. Well, now, look. Remember, I'm going from, all I need to do is, I don't even have to do anything with the figure, but I can divide. I could divide, or I could do that, or figure out that. But all I really have to do is take my pre-image, and I have to look at the multipliers that I'm given. So I'm given 5/7. So let's see. 5 times, in parentheses, 5 divided by 7. What's that give me? No, that's not, my image is 7. So let's do 5 times, and then let's do 1.4. 1.4, that gives me 7, which that's my image. So 5, that works. Now let's do 10 times 1.4. That gives us 14, so that works. So my answer choice is H. So don't get bogged down in thinking, okay, I need to take 5 divided by 7 or 7 divided by 5. 1.5 is actually 7 divided by 5. 1.4, sorry, is 7 divided by 4. So in order for us to get our actual scale factor of whatever we're doing, we take our image and we divide it by our pre-image to get our scale factor. So not too bad, right? Problem number 37. Yeah, I'll do that one real quick. That's pretty easy. Melinda is saving $25 that she earned from washing her mom's car. Okay, so we know that she's got $25 in her savings account. And we talk about her bank. So each week she's gonna add in $10 to her savings account. So and we want to write a function in terms of t. So t is going to be equal to, well, this is going to be our x value, or whatever the number of weeks. So n is our number of weeks. So then 10n plus the 25 that she initially had in there. Okay, remember the weeks belong to the 10, the $10. Because every week, so 1 week she's earned $10. 2 weeks she's earned $20 plus the 25 that she initially had in there. So the only possible answer choice that matches with that is going to be A. B won't work because it has the N with the $25, and she's not earning $25 a week. Number 38. I'll do number 38 in the next video because I need to open up my formula chart again. All right, see you then.